To keep the drawing clear, some dimensions are written outside. We'll use those values for a quick introduction to the design table. The design table lets us control dimensions with an external file, like Excel or text files. Instead of editing each value one by one, we can manage different versions of the part quickly and systematically. It's a powerful tool for automating variations. Let's make a simple design table. I'll link a few dimensions, and you'll see how changing values in a text file updates the part automatically. Just a basic example to understand the workflow. This way, I can select the exact dimensions from the sketch and build the list of parameters that the design table will control. Once the needed dimensions are added to the list, we save it as an external file. We can open that file, change the values, and CATIA will automatically update the part according to those changes. After updating the dimensions in the file, the sketch is refreshed automatically. Now I'll complete the sketch for this exercise, and at the end, I'll change one of the values again to show how the update applies instantly. After adding new dimensions, when using the Edit Multi-Constraint tool again, the newly created dimensions appear at the top of the list and are easy to spot and edit. Now, after some time, let's open the text file and change one of the values. The link dimension in the sketch updates automatically. Like and subscribe to stay tuned. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper and master the full power of design tables in CATIA.